Mountain Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines in wilderness, emergency, and travel medicine. The Hiker is built for weekend warriors, a must-have companion when you and a friend hit the trail for a day or two. Every kit features a unique external map listing all its contents. Inside the kit are semi-transparent pockets that are organized and labeled by injury, so you know exactly where to reach. The wound care pocket features EMT shears, a variety of wraps and bandages to immobilize and support fractures, and pre-cut moleskins to treat hot spots and blisters. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, a condensed guide to wilderness medicine, is a must-have resource, packed with valuable information on diagnosing and treating the most common and serious injuries affecting backpackers and hikers. It's like having a doctor in your bag. Including medications to treat itches, pain and fever, and inflammation. Cuts and scrapes items include our easy access bandages, butterfly closer bandages, antiseptic wipes, and antibiotic ointment. Stop bleeding fast with a trauma pad and nitrile gloves.
Hey, this is Carson from Gerber, and this is the ExoMod series. Built for the expeditionary hunter, it's compact, stackable, and lightweight. It consists of the ExoMod caper, the ExoMod drop point, and the ExoMod saw. Assemble the kit that fits your pursuit, using one independently or nesting multiple together. Full tank construction and skeletonized handles are shared features across the set, delivering added strength and durability while working through game. Each has an ergonomic grip and control choil to keep the knife securely in hand, even in messy and dark conditions. The series answers the different needs of field processing. A caper for fine work and skinning, a drop point for general use, and a saw for optimal cutting with minimal effort. Included with each is a low-profile, innovative sheath that not only functions independently, but also snaps together for the option to carry as a kit. The ExoMod series is available in two colors, blaze orange or discreet black. Like all Gerber products, the ExoMods are backed by the Gerber guarantee.
It started out as a normal day. A walk, a hike, a paddle, a drive, a short adventure. Suddenly, everything changed. Twisted ankle, phone drop, weather turns, breakdown, lights out, you're lost, you're stuck, you're scared. You're in harm's way. You're in danger. It wasn't supposed to be like this. Crisis strikes when you least expect it. Survival often happens when you are least prepared. And on this day, you seem to bring nothing you now need. But you remembered to bring one thing: your wallet. And this, it's the Tiny Survival Guide. The Tiny Survival Guide is a treasure chest full of the life-saving tips, tactics, and skills you need to survive almost anything. All in a compact, credit card-sized micro guide at less than 1 ounce. Tiny Survival Guide is designed for everyday carry in your wallet, pocket, purse, pack, emergency kit, or glove box, so you can carry it everywhere, all the time. The Tiny Survival Guide is designed to be both a proactive and a reactive learning tool. To be proactive before a disaster strikes, pull out the Tiny Survival Guide often and read it. Commit one new thing to memory each time you open it up. Heed the Before You Go section to prepare for and prevent many common mishaps. Use your mobile device to scan any of the guide's 21 QR codes for links to articles, videos, and apps to further develop your skills and knowledge before a crisis event. As a reactive tool, Keep the Tiny Survival Guide on you at all times. Pull it out as a quick reference when you are suddenly caught in an unexpected emergency or disaster scenario. Red sections, D through G, help you easily locate vital information to navigate many life-threatening situations. Quickly find guidance on other topics using the number, letter, and color-coded cross-references that are built into the guide. Inside, you'll learn how to survive wilderness mishaps, civil unrest, surprise attacks, natural disasters, nuclear, biological, and chemical events, abduction, hostage, and terror threats, active shooter situations, vehicle accidents, hiking, camping, and hunting emergencies, and a lot more. Packed with 175 expert tips, 101 detailed illustrations, 67 life-saving skills, 24 essential gear checklists, and 10 killer mistakes you must avoid. This is one tough guide. Designed in the USA and crafted in the UK, the Tiny Survival Guide is fashioned from hybrid, tear-resistant, and weather-repelling materials, found in some of the world's toughest wilderness maps. A great resource for almost anyone who doesn't want to be blindsided by the unexpected. The Tiny Survival Guide is perfect for folks who like to hike, camp, hunt, fish, backpack, go for a Sunday drive, a walk in the park, or explore exotic destinations. Add our new patent-pending Tiny Survival Card to your Tiny Survival Guide for a unique last-ditch toolkit that fits in your wallet. Fashioned from US-made hardened 302 stainless steel, the Tiny Survival Card contains 17 hard-to-improvise tools, including a mini spear point knife, an arrowhead, 3 needles, a finger drill, 6 fishing hooks, tweezers, a fully functional fine and medium saw, a button lure, and 2 micro harpoons. The Tiny Survival tool travels on a credit card safe magnetic base, so you can use a tool and then replace it on the magnet for storage, making it easy to pre-sharpen the knife and place it back on the magnet ready for use. As you can see, the Tiny Survival Guide is much more than just another survival guide. It's a compact, everyday carry, credit card size life insurance policy in your pocket. This is the Tiny Survival Guide. Be sure to get in on our early bird specials and volume discounts. And know that 10% of the profit from this Kickstarter project goes to veteran, first responder, and disaster relief charities, to say thank you to those who put themselves in harm's way to keep us all safe and free. Thanks for your support.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to get the Tiny Survival Guide and card into your hands and into the hands of millions of folks around the globe who want to be better prepared for their next emergency, crisis, or disaster. But I need your help. When you support this project, you'll get some unique everyday carry survival gear and help to fund our first large production run. So please share this video and campaign with your friends and family on social media, and check out our early bird packages and bulk discounts on Kickstarter. For your convenience, I've placed links in the video description. Thank you for your kind encouragement and support. And remember, be prepared, because you never know.
Access clean drinking water wherever you go with LifeStraw. It is a small, ultralight water filter that frees you from carrying drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics to keep you safe on your adventures. Using it is simple. Open the caps, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, just blow the water out of the filter, replace the caps, and off you go. Ideal for outdoor adventures travel, and emergencies, LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to roughly 4 years of clean drinking water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Over 1 million children are receiving clean water today thanks to people like you.